It is time to transplant my flowers for my mini dried flower farm. I have a little chart here with the varieties written down so that in case my plant labels get moved or something happens to them, I'll have an idea of what they are because I may want to save some seeds next year. I do expect some of these to reseed themselves, or in some cases, things like straw flower can overwinter in my warmer climate, so I may just leave them in place. I've got all of my plants laid out here, ready to go, and the area is nice and cleared out, so let's do this. I already added some bone meal to the soil the other day, but I am adding some more bone meal and some worm castings into each of the planting areas. Okay, and here we go. The first seedling is going in. I am so excited to finally be at the transplanting stage because babying these little seedlings for so long was kind of difficult, but now it's all happening. It's coming together. All right, so I'm gonna get this seedling buried in here, and here we are. So I have more seedlings to transplant, but I know it's going to be boring to show you the rest, so I'll keep transplanting and show you the final result. One thing that I came across was that I pulled some of these out of my hydroponic devices and put multiple seedlings into a container to pot them up until transplanting time, and well, the roots kind of spread out on all of them and they are so fused together that I don't want to try and break them apart, so I'm just going to plant this clump in like this. I'll try to loosen the roots up a bit, but I don't think separating them is going to happen. Okay, and here we are, all transplanted. I do have a few bare patches here because some of the seedlings that I brought out a few days ago ended up just not looking great and thriving, so I didn't think that they could handle the transplant, so I'll check on them in a few days and then transplant if they look like they have revived themselves. And I may even start some more seeds of each variety just to make sure that I really have enough. I'm going to give these a good drink of water, and then because I have a lot of pill bugs and earwigs and snails and slugs, I don't want to take it to chance, so I am sprinkling this Slego Plus around them. If you use this, get the plus kind because that will get the earwigs. And because I also have rats and squirrels, I am placing these little baskets over the seedlings while they are getting settled in so they have less of a chance of getting dug up. I got these from the Dollar Tree. Well, things there are $1.25 now. But yeah, these work great, and for $1.25 each, you can't beat it. I ran out of these baskets, but that's okay. Hopefully these will be okay until I can get some more. And now all I have to do is maintain these, and hopefully they'll keep growing, and I'll have some dried flowers that I can harvest and sell.